Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marifer, and today's video I'm going to show you all the random stuff I buy on Amazon, but it's still girly, cute, uh, helpful. It helps for something, is anything in storage, for your purses, everything. I'm gonna show you all the random stuff that I buy, but it's girly at the same time, cute, it help you, everything. So yeah, the first item I want to show you is with this virus that we have right now. Like, it's very helpful, and it's this little package. I do not remember how many they come because I already used so many of them, but I think it was a package of 4, and these are these brackets for your mask, so you can be able to breathe. And you put it under this one, under your mask, and you actually put it like that, and you will be able to breathe without you having the actual mask all over your nose and clogging your nose. So you're gonna be able to breathe, and I really like it because they're this size, and this is an adult size. And I also have for my little ones, for my daughter and for my son, I have these ones. They're little, and it's the same thing as the adult one. You actually put it in your mouth and let the kids breathe, which this one is good one too, because I think we're having a lot of troubles when our kids they don't, sometimes they take their mask and like because they cannot breathe or they feel uncomfortable. And these little brackets, they're really good and they're do awesome. So I really recommend these adult ones and kid ones. So the third item I want to show y'all, and I'm going to do a video about it, especially so y'all can see. This is a lifesaver, no, not lifesaver, a money saver, and it saves you favorite clothes, and it actually does. And I'm gonna do a whole video about it so y'all can see. And it's this Conair little, what is it called, fabric shaver. It's a fabric shaver, and this one is cordless because when I put it in my car on Amazon, if you don't check the right thing, you will buy the one with the batteries, and you don't want that one because it's just like a lot of waste of money and batteries. And this one, guys, I swear it did save my clothes. It saved my favorite sweatpants. You can hear the noise, and it's pulling everything from your clothes, like all the little spots that we hate. And it lets your clothes will look like new again, and you will save all that clothes that you actually thought they was trash because you don't want to wear it no more. This will save it. It will save you sweatpants. It saved all my sweatpants. So this is a very good item that we need. I don't know the prices. I'm gonna leave everything on my description below. So yeah, this one I'm really recommending you this one. If it's something from this holiday you can get, is this one. The fourth item I'm going to show you is right here behind me, and this is a a necklace thing where you can put your necklace, and they're gonna be on spot. This one is a small one. This one is a little bit more medium one, and I like it because of that, because it has different sizes, and then you can put your more long ones in here, and they will be perfect on place. And actually it has for your rings right here on the bottom. And this one is from the brand Umbra, which is so cute. Actually, I really like this one. As you can see, you can put many necklaces as you want because it has different sizes for you small, medium, and large ones, and actually for you rings too. And it actually looks like a very cute piece. It don't look all bad. So I really like this item, and it's something that I would recommend you too. Is this pretty much everything that I got on all my stuff from Amazon, I would recommend it, like literally. So yeah, this one is from the brand Umbra, and I think it was only $25, so it's pretty good price. And it will make like a piece, like a stylish piece, but it also works for storage. Guys, the next item I'm going to show you, and it's our fifth item, is this It's something that I really needed. I didn't know I needed until I find it, until I need it. I don't know, whatever. Yeah, but it's this cute purse holder, and I actually got it because I have a new bag, and it's not flat or anything. And this one is so perfect for this bag. Let me show you. This one you can put it up, you can put it down, and I'm gonna put it up. Actually, I think it goes more up, but I think that's pretty good for me. And I'm just gonna put my purse in there so you can see how perfect it looks, how cute. And I actually buy it because this bag don't have no flat item in the no flat area in the bottom, so it can get support. So that it was a lifesaver. I don't know how much was it. I have no idea. 20 something too, yeah, probably, but it is so cute. Look at, it's gold, and I know they have silver, and I know they sell it by packs, but I actually just buy this one because this is the only purse that I needed. And it goes down if your purse is shorter, and it goes all the way up if your purse is very long, so they cannot be touching the floor, so all the dirt, nothing, and they can keep their shape. So this one is actually a lifesaver for me. It is, and a money saver. So yeah, that item I recommend it too, like all of them. But yeah, that item I do love, like all of them. I swear I do love them, but this item, it is a good item, so go ahead and get it. The next item I'm gonna show you, you really need it too. Yeah, you really need this item. It's so cute, guys. It make everything look so put together and stylish and everything. And it's these little hexagons. As you can see, I have it right here already for you. And these little hexagons, I think they're cardboard, but they're really well done. Like, it's different sizes. I think you can put your candles, even like that. It looks so cute, but I actually use it for my perfumes. This plate, and I just put all the perfumes everywhere, so they can look so pretty and stylish. And I really love this one, guys. It's so pretty, and I think if you buy more, you have more perfumes than me, you can put more. But look at how cute that looks so beautiful. And if I go buy more perfumes, I will put to the other side so it can look more. You can put candles on top, you can put you cosmetics on top too. It will look so pretty. I don't know, just by itself it looks like an art piece, literally. Look at how cute. I really love this one. I want to buy another set, and I want to buy more perfume so I can put more. But like, this one is, I'm so bad with the prices, but yeah, I think it was like $20, I think. Yeah, everything is $20 probably. But yeah, this one, it was a great item. It's 6 of them, and they come like in different sizes. So yeah, I really love this one too. And yeah, that's the 6th item. So yeah, the perfume holder, that's beautiful, guys. So our 7th item, I just take it from my phone, and it's this little microphone. Is the one that I use for my videos. Maybe it's gonna sound a little bit different because I just take it from my phone. And yeah, look at this. It's long, but the bad thing is I think this one is for Android and not for iPhones. So this is my microphone, and it don't work for my phone. So this one is the one that I buy, the little connector. It would change the stuff from Android, which it will go in here, the Android little headphones, and or charger, the charger too, guys, which is great if you have an Android charger. And then it will make it to iPhone, which is great. If you don't find an iPhone charger and it's only an Android, you can actually use this one for that, and for your microphone at the same time, or your headphones. So these 2 items, it will be my 7th and my 8th item. But these are so helpful for me, especially my microphone, because it's like so small. Look at how small it is. So yeah, my microphone and this I don't know what it's called, but I will put everything on the links. So yeah, these items, they're lifesavers. Okay guys, the next item I'm gonna show you is this one that I have on, and it's this necklace that you can see, and it has the M for Marifer, but not Marifer, but for Maria. And yeah, look at how cute it is. It's like a hexagon, I think it's a hexagon. So yeah, it's a hexagon. It has the M. And this little package, it came with 2 of them. I think it was $8, and it's so cute, guys. Look at how cute it looks. It was a package of 2 of the same letter. You can get, oh, I think it is the same letter. Yeah, it was both the same M. And I really love these ones because it's just like a personal touch that you can put to your style. So you can use it every day. And the color is kind of yellowish. It's not yellow, it's like kind of copperish, more like that. Like, it's kind of dark, but yeah, I love it. And it's so cute. It's just like a personal touch that you can put to your chains and to your not chains, to your jewelry, like put your initials and everything. So yeah, they have a lot of them. They have every single initial. So yeah, like this, it was so cute. The next item, which I don't even know which number is it, and I changed my camera a little bit so you can see it, is this mirror right here. It's a round mirror. Let's see, I can put it a little bit up. It's a round mirror, which this mirror is all over my house. Well, not all over, but it will be, because I'm going to put it in my bathroom. I need 2 of them actually for my bathroom. And yeah, that mirror is a round mirror. It's in my daughter's room too, and it's so beautiful. I know they have one at Target, but I feel like this one is the same, and it's always in stock. So yeah, this round mirror, and they I might leave the link, but they had so many different sizes. So yeah, I really recommend that one. That'll make your house look so beautiful. That's what I wanted to. I'm going to put it on my bathroom. I need 2 of them. And then I got this one, and then I have one in my daughter's room. But this mirror is so beautiful and stylish. So yeah, I really recommend it. I think it was like $60 or $50, something like that. But like I'm saying, they have so many different sizes. The size that you need, they will probably have it. Probably if you need something bigger than mine, you will have to get a bigger one, and it will be more expensive. But this one is so perfect for me, and it was only like $50 to $60, so it's beautiful. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm on my daughter's room, and the next item I'm going to show you is right here in my daughter's room, and I'm going to turn my camera. Really want to recommend is this wallpaper, and I think it's peonies, or I don't know what they call, but they are so beautiful and so stylish. Look at how beautiful it looks. I'm gonna show you to you a little bit closer so you can see. And it's so huge, guys, and it looks so beautiful in 3D, which I really recommend. I do not know the price. I don't know if it was like $90, something like that, but it's so beautiful and it's stylish. It will really, like, the price is like not compared to the quality. Next item I wanted to share with you is this little house, which one you can see is so cute. It's like a little I don't know, it's like, I don't know what it's called, but it's where you can put your little dresses. And as you can see, I have all her dresses right there in her bed, and this is her little house for her dresses, and I'm going to show you the little dresses on. So as you can see, I already put her little Cinderella dress, which she loves, and she loves to put all her little cute things in there, all her little dresses, like her mermaid. And I don't know, she gets a lot. But like, yeah, this is so cute, and this is something that I really recommend for your daughter's room. It's cute and stylish and everything, and will look beautiful in your daughter's room. So I really recommend this one. Hey everybody, that's pretty much it for today's video. I was gonna show you more items, but my daughter decided to go sleep, and I was gonna show you a lot of cute items that I got for her, like a Minnie Mouse dress with the ears and everything, but like she fell asleep, so that will be the next video. So yeah, like, I hope y'all like everything. I think pretty much it's very stylish and cute and girly, so I hope y'all can get some find something similar, like. But yeah, I love every single piece that I have, and I pretty much love the price. If y'all have Prime, it's very fast, and if y'all like to save money and to get cute pieces for a good price, fast, everything. So yeah, I hope you like it. I'm gonna leave everything in my description below, so if y'all decide to buy something and you want to help me a little bit, I mean, this video is not sponsored, but if y'all buy with my links, I will get a little bit of commission from there. So yeah, will help a girl a lot. So yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, help me. If not, thank you too. But yeah, thank you so much for everything, and remember to subscribe to my channel so we can do more videos and I can share more stuff with you. And you already know, I waste my money. Yeah, save your money. If you like it, I get it. I will review anything for y'all, literally. So yeah, just let me know if you need to review anything, and I will do it. I will. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like. Remember to share this video so that more people can see it. And yeah, and remember to stay beautiful as always and to stay safe. Bye.